Is Velocidrone really the best FPV simulator you can get today? I'd say it's pretty close. Let's first jump into the simulator and have a little fly. For racing, I'd say this is probably the best FPV simulator out there. It has the maps from both the multi-GP and TPS EU spec, and inside Velocidrone you can choose from a lot of maps, both user generated but also some official ones. That is actually the real maps that are inside the game. They've been recreated or recreated first in the simulator and then put onto a real life scale. And that just helps massively train up for new maps if you want to do that sort of thing. I am in the middle of a challenge where I fly inside the Velocidrone FPV simulator for 30 days in a row. And right now I'm on day 17. Very hard to keep up improving, but it's still really fun. Each day I go into Velocidrone FPV simulator and I pick a new map and I race that as best I can for at least 30 minutes, sometimes up to an hour if I have the time. And then I upload the last lap here on Shorts, and if you want to follow that you can click the card up here. And even inside the simulator there are races where you can participate and win real prizes. When it comes to freestyle, there are so many maps inside. They're not all amazing, but there are some really cool ones, and there are some that are a bit just over the top and a bit silly, but that is also something that is fun to fly in, if that sort of thing is fun to you. There's no debate when it comes to the physics in this simulator. It's very close to the real thing, and the minor tweaks and adjustments you can make, it just makes it even closer. So when it comes to the pricing of the simulator, it's a bit tricky because the base game costs 17 British pounds, and then you can add on different kind of packs depending on what you want to do with the simulator. There's a combat pack if you want to fly in combat simulations, so you can shoot and stuff with your drone. It's rather fun. There's also a freestyle pack where you get access to some of the freestyle frames that are made and the physics tuning of those, and a lot of freestyle maps. And then there are some overlaps where they made a freestyle map in Polyworld which you need the combat pack to also fly in that one. Then you also have the micro pack where you can fly micros if you're into that thing, and well, there are some other packs. You can go on the website and check out the other packs. By the way, if you like these short form reviews, go hit that like button down. It helps the algorithm a lot. And also, if you want to see more, click the subscribe button down below. So let's get on with the review. There are also a large number of drones to choose from different kind of frames to different kind of sizes and all sorts of things like that. It's quite different how each of them flies. So comparing it to the other simulators, if you look at racing, I don't think any of the other simulators come even close to it. On the freestyle side, it's a bit more tricky. There are a lot of other great simulators out there. If you want to know about another simulator called Uncrashed, you can check out this video right here to see how that is and judge for yourself. So as always, let's get out there and get flying.